Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skillful Stenography English Shorthand Dictations. You are requested to please like and subscribe for more clear sound English Shorthand Dictations. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman Short and New Course Book. Exercise number 115. Start. Dear sir, when you hang up your hat and begin to answer the pile of correspondence awaiting you on your desk, have you ever thought of what happens when your mail is received by the person to whom it is addressed? Remember that the first impression your correspondent receives is from the notepaper he holds in his fingers. New para. Most businessmen believe in the value of appearance, and pay great attention to most things which place their firm high in the estimation of their correspondents, but it is surprising how many quite overlook the opportunity paper offers of expressing the standing of their firm. New para. We hope you will exercise care with this particular detail. Perhaps you will permit us to quote for quantity lots on our inverted comma start distinctive bond inverted comma close according to your requirements. Very truly yours,